Hello, welcome to my kitchen. Here, this may look very suspect, but it's just salt. I promise. No, it really is salt. So, gonna do a salt spray for you, and measurements. So, starting off, 175ml bottle, so that's what I'm measuring to because that is the size of my bottle. Yes, it's a rubbish bottle, but I'm cheap and I make do, and it works perfectly fine. So you can double or triple, whatever the size of your spray bottle is, you can adjust your quantities to the size of your bottle by doubling this. 175ml. So, first things first, boil the kettle because it's going to help you dissolve the salt. So, in it goes. 150, 175. Right, let's put that over there. So, fill this up with the amount of liquid that I need. Now, I'm going to add my salt. So, I've measured it out here, and I kind of just eye it in. You don't want to put so much salt in there that basically when you've used the salts, after you finish using it, then the salt will then crust up the end and the tube and everything like that. So you don't want to be putting like even like a quarter salt in, because yes, it may make your hair all kind of give it that seaside look and help it knot up quicker and like give it that kind of matte effect. But we also don't want to damage our hair by having it way too salty. So for my 175ml bottle, I've got 14 grams of salt here. Now, that, when I put it in, here we go, that went a lot better than I thought. That maybe sits about 4mm from the bottom up as a general spread, right? So, I'm going to give this a stir, let it dissolve, that's why we boil the water. Spoon. Oh yeah. That's how you do it. Right. So, you don't want to watch me stir that for ages, but you get the gist. Stir it until it's nice and dissolved. Dissolve quicker with hot water. Today I'm using ylang. 100% pure essential oil. Make sure you're getting your essential oils as 100% pure, as you don't want to be putting any extra oils or anything in your hair that isn't just a base smell. I quite like the smell of this one. This was the smell of my last one. I am going to get some rosemary essential oil, as that's going to be very good for stimulating hair growth as well. So I might get that and try and do a little combating of the top of my head. Yeah, so basically, here we go. We're gonna 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So I'm gonna give that a stir. That's 10 drops of essential oil. And basically just judge it. How strong do you want it? Essential oil is like 100% pure. It is pretty strong. So you don't want to overdo it. I'd say that's alright for me. Do you know what? Let's do one more for luck. Okay, there's 2 for luck because, you know. Lovely. Right. Looks like my salt has all dissolved as well. So here we go. I'm going to let that cool down before I pour it into my bottle, because I don't want to melt the plastic of the bottle because it was boiling water. So 175ml of water, hot water. Don't burn yourself. 14 grams of salt in there. Just cover the bottom of whatever vessel you're using, fill it up, you know, a couple of mil from the bottom, and that was salt crystals as well, not just like granulated salt, so obviously there's more air around it, so if you did that with granulated salt then you're going to have a hell of a lot more salt. And then I did 12 drops of essential oil. Some people may say that's quite a lot, but you know, at least your hair smells bloody good. So when that dries? When that cools down, I'm going to fill up my little bottle, and then I shall be spraying it on my head. So when it comes to using the salt spray, I use it a couple times a week. I use it maybe a day or two after I wash my hair, and then I use it a day or two before washing my hair, sort of thing. So there's kind of like a 2 days, leave it 2 days, do it, leave it 2 days, do it, and then there's, yeah, you get my drift. That is your salt spray. That will help lock your hair up a lot quicker and give it that seaside look. And yeah, hope that was helpful. Drop a comment, like, follow, subscribe, all that jazz. More videos coming. Peace out.